Hello, welcome to Come Let's Make Learning Fun. Let's address another very common issue in our children, which is picky eating. So, a lot of our kids have very limited food choices. So, A, B, C, D, E, these 5 things he will eat, the rest of it my child will not eat. So, a lot of parents know this, and what they will do is at home they will continue to give those same foods at home. It will be okay at home because that's when the mealtime is peaceful and the child is getting the nutrition or food that he needs. But when you go to a social situation, this may not work out. And then what happens is that well-meaning relatives and friends will comment, you should have force-fed him, or you should have introduced this early, or just give him 2 slaps and feed it. Your child will start eating. But let me tell you, the child is not eating all kinds of food because of sensory challenges. It is not because of parenting. He is unable to um, express that. That is the reason why he avoids food which disturbs him sensorily. So, how do we handle this? The first thing we do is we make a list of all the foods that our child will eat very easily. And next to the food list, what you will write is what is the color, what is the texture, and what is the quantity the child will eat, and does the child enjoy it warm or cold. So write that down, go through this list and see what is the common thing between all these foods. Once you start paying closer attention to that, you will understand that there are certain things, like say if the appearance is white, then my child will eat whatever it is. Or if there is a certain spice, say there is garlic or there is cumin, my child will eat it. So these are things that you need to know. Or that it says spherical in shape, he will eat it. It's dry, he will eat it. So once you note that points, look at how you can put all those factors together and introduce something new to the kid. If I were to explain this more clearly, say your child eats only white food, he likes it only soft, and he likes it warm. What can you try? So you're giving him curd rice, you're giving him idli, you're giving him dosa. What else can you try? So I would suggest, can you give him boiled chana made into say tiny biscuits or tiny patties kind of things, which is like lightly tawa fried. So look at, search for recipes which will satisfy all the criteria that the child handles easily, but will still continue to introduce new tastes and give him additional nutrition. Does call for work on your part, but this is one way to go forward. There are certain other things also that we need to look into. More information on that coming up in the next videos.